What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a remake of my keto-friendly spaghetti and meatballs. In my pot, I have a piece of butter, I have onion powder and garlic, and then I'm adding my spiralized zucchini to the pot, and then I'm just going to mix that around and have that steam a bit. And guys, it's gonna reduce, so if you have a family of say 4, try to add at least 4 zucchini to the pot because it does reduce down a lot, as you can see here in this video. So now that I'm complete with my zucchini, I am going to do my meatballs. So what you see here that I have is a piece of butter, garlic, some onion powder, and Prego spaghetti sauce. So I'm just mixing that around and warming it up a bit, and then I'm going to be adding my meatballs to that just so it can warm up, because the meatballs are already pre-cooked, so it doesn't need to necessarily cook. As you can see here, I've added my meatballs to my saucepan, and I'm just mixing that around to make sure that it's all coated in the sauce. And I'm just gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes just so it can warm up from the outside to the inside. I did have it thawed out just a bit before I started cooking, so didn't take long at all to cook. It's time for plating. So now I'm just going to be using my thong, and I'm just going to shake off some of that excess juice from the zucchini, and I'm just going to add that to my plate to the center. And I'm going to make a little well in the middle of my zucchini spaghetti, and that is where I'm going to place my meatballs and add my pasta sauce. And I'm going to finish that off with some Parmesan cheese, and then we're all set for dinner. And this is how our pasta came out. Our keto-friendly spaghetti and meatballs pasta. Let me know if you guys have tried this before. If you haven't, you need to. It's a must. So next, I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick dessert that you can do after having your meal. And this is so easy. You can do it in just 2 minutes, literally. So what I did was I scooped out some plain yogurt, and then I add some strawberry jelly. Now this one that I had was not sugar free. Be sure to get the sugar free one for your dessert. And you can add granola to the top of that. I just didn't have, so I just went with just the plain yogurt and the strawberry jelly. But add granola to yours, and that will be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video.